So we're very proud to have the reunion groups of 1975, 85, 95, and 2005 represented here today, plus members of 1990 and 2000. And those guys missed out on their reunion in 2020 because of COVID, so they sort of are here also celebrating the school and spending some time walking through. The class of 1985 made the decision to start the Duke of Cornwall Singers, not knowing that 40 years later, the Duke of Cornwall Singers would be a renowned group of singers at St. Stithians College. The honor code of our school was birthed in 1995 by a group of prefects who felt that there was a need for a clear value-based and value-driven philosophy around who we were as a school. And so honor God, honor others, honor self, which today is the expectation of everyone on this campus.
Good morning, one and all. Be seated. I did wonder whether it worked more than once or twice. Not only do you have an unbelievable opportunity in front of you to capitalize on, but you have a legacy entrusted to you by generations of alumni, not merely to preserve, I think is the important thing in what we've seen today, but to enrich with your own contributions.
50 years from now, when you return for your reunion, the world will look unrecognizable. But what will matter most is not the technology or the headlines, but the impact you had on others.
We are all dealt different cards, but it's how you play your hand. We don't feel sorry for ourselves. We get up and we get it done. And we fall down and we do it again and again and again. There's no difference between public and private school kids. The only difference is that when you leave school, you have this. You have guys that come back to the school, guys that when they see each other, that give each other that nod.
We are proud of you already. We believe in you. We cannot wait to see how you shape the future, not just for South Africa, but for the world. So dream big, stay curious, and as you rise, lift others with you. Congratulations to the future leaders from St. Stithians. Your time has come.